I'm sitting in a 2006 Acura TL. We're going to be programming in an extra key right here. So put our original key in, turn it on. Our security light is on the bottom, but it's out. So let's get started. Go to TL, key coding, 06, immobilizer 1. It's on. Let's see how many keys are in the system. Three. When we're done, there's going to be just 2. So we'll go to program keys. You have to do all the keys at the same time. Do 2. Ignition off. On. Same key. Off. Then your security light will begin to flash real quick. You know you're in learning mode. Next key, turn it on. Turn it off. Same key, turn it on. Our security light will begin to flash slowly a few times and it will go out. There it is. The machine's going to ask you if it's out. Off. On with the same key. Yes, it is. Security light is out. Off. Ignition on with the same key. Procedure's complete. Now we're going to check the key count. Turn the key off. On. There you go, 2 keys programmed. Now we'll take the key out right here. Put the key back in. When we take the key out, our security light will flash a few times and extinguish. Put the key in. Turn it on. There's our security light. It's out. That's with the new key. And here's the old key. And you're done.